Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today we will see how to log out Facebook laptop. We start by opening Facebook in our browser. Next, we will click on our account icon to see the drop-down menu. Here we will see the option to log out and click on it. We will see that our Facebook session on the laptop closes. If you want to remove the account suggestion that appears, you can remove it using the Remove Account from this page icon that appears on. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.